Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Concerned this evening about the low consumption of table eggs, which has resulted in a glut on the market. The revelation came yesterday at the Jamaica Egg Farmers Association meeting in St. Anne. The association is now exploring export options.
Table eggs in abundance, but not enough buyers. Egg farmers have found themselves in a precarious position, and it doesn't help that consumers have to pay more, given that farmers are also faced with increases in operational costs and the price for feed. President of the Jamaica Egg Farmers Association, Mark Campbell, says the only hope for consumers lies in the removal of the 15% GCT on the product. It's something it's been lobbying for years.
We want the consumption of eggs in Jamaica to go up because it is just too low. It is at the very same level as Haiti. And our other Caribbean countries are eating 2.5 times weekly what we are eating in Jamaica.
According to data from the Agriculture Ministry, since 2019, egg production has increased by 39.4%. Also of note is that the country has not imported table eggs since 2007. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green believes the increased consumption and effective local marketing campaign is needed.
I do expect that we will take another 3 months, Mr. President, and pull it together so that we can launch this early next year. I don't want us to be here talking about it again next year. When I want to come next year, I want us to be reporting on how the marketing campaign has gone. Let us come together, put together a budget, get some professionals on board, and embark on that.
As for the ongoing calls for the removal of the GCT,
we will seek to engage the Minister of Finance to see the possibilities of looking at the removal of GCT or reduction of GCT. But we know if we were able to get that, then that would help drive the consumption of eggs.
In the meantime, the Egg Farmers Association president says its members continue to eye overseas markets.
We have inquiries about eggs from a number of Caribbean countries. We have from Cuba. We are involved right now in negotiation to see how that is going to go. We have from Barbados and we have from Trinidad. And I think there may be another interest being expressed.
For the Business Day, I'm Kelisha Williams.
The Jamaican dollar fell again today, losing 32 cents at the end of trading. Foreign exchange dealers are selling the American dollar for an average $156.69. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.37. $190.58 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $167.63. The JSE index advanced by 1,216 points today, while the junior market index declined by 45 points. In trading, the advancing shares outpaced declining ones by almost 2-1, with the 52 advancing and 34 declining. 17 stocks traded firm. The advances include Paramount Trading, CAC 2000, JMMB Group 7.25%, Caribbean Cream and Berger Paints. Losers were led by MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, First Rock Real Estate Investments, Jamaican Teas, Lumber Depot and Cargo Handlers. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.